Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm just going to do a quick check-in video. First off, I am sorry for the confusion last week. I put an announcement in the page that was incorrect, so hopefully this will make up for that in regards to clear communication and then telling you what we have next. So we are in week 4. We're finishing up week 3 to do tomorrow, right? Week 4, starting next week. We're talking about resume building. This week you'll have the mini assignment where you submit your cover letter. So everyone knows what that is. We discussed it in week 2. You can go back and reference the cover letter information there. Be sure to go over resume building. This is really a critical chapter or module for you because if you can build a good resume, you can speak volumes for yourself. So when you're applying for jobs, an efficient resume, if it looks good, then you already got a hand up in the interview, so you're almost ready to go. So be sure to build that the way you would like, build that the way you're going to use it in the future. Also remember you have week 4 discussion boards or week 4 review that's due as well. So 2 assignments due this week, the normal week 4 review, and then also your mini assignment, which is your cover letter. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to look over your cover letter too before you submit it. Hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.